Hi there, students. This video is designed to give you some help about being politically correct, about using language that doesn't offend other people. Yeah, so if you're politically correct, your language or your actions, you use language and actions that could not be interpreted as an offence by other people, especially when we're talking about somebody's gender, somebody's race, maybe somebody's condition or somebody's disease. Now, let's see. If somebody has, for example, diabetes or a medical condition, try to avoid phrases like suffer. Yeah, this suggests discomfort. This suggests constant pain and a sense of hopelessness. So use the phrase has, the word has. Yeah, this person has has diabetes, or they have multiple sclerosis. Or, for example, let's see, you can use normal everyday phrases, but be careful with phrases that are associated with negative things. So, for example, he was deaf to my requests, or I was blind drunk. Try and avoid things like this. So let's get a little bit more specific. If somebody is handicapped, avoid that word handicapped. Somebody who is handicapped is a disabled person. Yeah? Somebody who, avoid the phrase that somebody is confined to a wheelchair. Say that they are a wheelchair user. Yeah? Okay, because here we're taking away the confined, which is negative, and just saying that this person is a user. Avoid mentally handicapped, mentally retarded, subnormal. Use something like a person with learning disability. Yeah, a person with a specific disability. Also, if somebody is able-bodied, they don't have any problems, you should refer to this person as non-disabled. If somebody is a mental patient, they're mad, they have a mental health condition. Or if somebody can't hear, yeah, don't say deaf and dumb or a deaf mute. Somebody with a hearing impairment. And similarly, blind, somebody with a visual impairment, or somebody who is partially sighted. Don't use the word a dwarf or a midget. Somebody of restricted growth, a small person. Somebody of short stature. Okay, so let's try a few more of these now. Try to avoid phrases with the word man. So a workman, no, a worker. A white European, use Caucasian. Yeah? A warehouse worker, it would sound better a warehouse operative. It makes them more important. A waiter or waitress, serving staff, waiting staff. If something's second-hand or used, it's pre-owned or pre-loved. Yeah? The third world. Try the phrase the developing nations. Yeah? It's much more positive. The elderly, the old. No. Senior citizens. Yeah? These are senior citizens. On an aeroplane, the steward or the stewardess. Flight attendant. A spokesman. Man? No, change it to person. A spokesperson. Or a slum would be an economically deprived area. Somebody who's short could be vertically challenged. They have a problem with verticality. A sex change. No. Sex reassignment surgery. Or instead of saying somebody's a secretary, an administrative assistant. If somebody is promiscuous, they have sex with lots of people, they are sexually liberated. All of these phrases, we're avoiding trying to criticize people. A prostitute, no, a sex worker. And there are no more problems or issues. They are opportunities or challenges. Yeah, if you're taken to the police station, you're not put in a cell, you're put in the custody suite. The postman is now a postal worker. If somebody is poor, they are marginalised. They've been marginalised by society. And don't say miss or Mrs. Ms, yeah, MS, yeah. And well, with happy Christmas, happy holidays, because not everybody celebrates Christmas. Don't use manpower, use workforce. Something that's man-made would be synthetic. Mankind, no, humankind. Yeah, the man in the street, the average person, please. Yeah, a juvenile delinquent is a child at risk. A drug addict is somebody with a drug dependency. Job losses are restructuring, and an illegal immigrant is an undocumented worker. Yeah. If somebody's an idiot, yeah, or they behave badly, they are behaviourally challenged. A housewife would be a homemaker, a hairdresser, no, a stylist. Yeah. Nobody is fat anymore. People are overweight or big boned. And don't say English. Use British or UK citizen. Yeah, somebody who has a drug habit has a substance use disorder. Yeah, they have a chemical dependency. They're not a drug order. And somebody who works in the cafeteria, yeah, a dinner lady, is a mealtime supervisor. Okay. If you are clumsy and drop everything, you have coordination problems. Yeah. Your brother or your sister, sibling, definitely sibling. Yeah. Okay, so if somebody is a black sheep, they are a pariah. And a black person, a person of colour, yeah, an African American, it's difficult, black British, a person of Afro-Caribbean origin. The person who collects the rubbish, yeah, is a sanitary technician or a sanitary engineer. So there you go. There are a huge number of them, but the general guide, try to avoid words that imply criticism and things like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. How to be politically correct. Words and phrases to avoid, and words and phrases to use in their stead.